Hey guys, welcome to my channel All in One Gamer. In today's video, I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M21. This is the outer packaging of the phone. We'll cut it out with the cutter. I ordered it from Amazon. Here we have cut the package, and here you can see the M21 box. M21 written in a large size. Now let's see the box. Here you can see Samsung Galaxy M21. Here is the RAM-ROM, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. We'll cut out the seal. Here we go. Now let's see what's in the inside the box. It's really tightly packed. Now in the box we get a phone, instruction manual. You can see here is SIM ejector tool. We'll open the box. Here you will see some instructions and guide. No one reads them. Here we'll see the phone. You can see phone packed. Let's keep it aside. Here you see the 18-watt fast charger. And a USB-A to USB-C cable. Sad thing is we do not get headphones. Let's keep everything aside and remove the cover from the phone. Wow, the phone looks amazing in the hand. You can see it from the back. Samsung branding, fingerprint, 3 cameras and a flashlight. Here is the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C and speakers and a microphone, volume rocker and power button, SIM ejector tray where you will put your SIM and memory card. Let's boot the phone. I hope it has battery. It's starting. Now let's go as come. I will quickly set up and come back. And it also has battery in it. You can see there's a banned app called Hello in it, which was banned by Indian government, but it still has in it. I uninstalled it, but I haven't showed it in the video. The screen looks amazing, super AMOLED display. The camera quality is also really good. You get 48 megapixels of camera, ultra wide camera as well, and another camera. The UI is quite simple as the Samsung UI. Looks amazing in the hand. Trying to test out the camera. Let's check out software information. It is running on Android 10. Good. One UI 2 Android 10. The wallpapers look really cool on this phone. And the refresh rate is also amazing. Just checking out some useless features. Now we'll take a 48 megapixel camera sample. I'll show you the pictures. It took a while to save the picture. You can see the details are amazing. The camera of the phone is at next level. We get every single detail in the picture. I haven't used live focus, but still it blurred the background. Let's check the video size. It records on Full HD 1920 to 1080. That's also cool in this price range. The price of the phone is currently 14,000. You can get it on sale as the 15 August sale is coming. Here you can see the emoji camera, which you can point out on someone's face and draw something on the person. The phone is not really heavy. It's really light and it's handy. And here's the ultra wide camera. This also is really useful to take big group pictures. I love this phone a lot and it's really handy in my hand.